Hey guys, it's Lauren with Injuryfree. I'm the health coach, and today we're going to be making a lentil pasta with avocado sauce. So some of the ingredients we're using today calls for parsley. Parsley is a really great detoxifier and awesome for your liver. We also have some avocado here, which is a really rich monounsaturated fat, really great for your metabolism, keeps you full and satisfied. We also have red lentil pasta. And lentils are a really rich source of plant-based protein and will keep you full and rich in fiber.